Welcome. In this video, we're going to see how we can take a SoftChalk create lesson, package it, and then place it into Desire to Learn as a scored object. We have our lesson completed. We then choose File from the menu bar, and from the File menu, we select Package Lesson. This will display the Package Lesson dialog window. We want to choose Standard Zip and LMS with SCORM 1.2. We could ignore the score tracking options as they do not work within the Desire to Learn learning management system. We then click OK. It then will ask us for a location to store our lesson. I'll put it on my desktop. And inside of my desktop, I've created a folder called My Packaged Lesson. I'll select that and click OK. It then tells me that my lesson has been packaged. It will be the lesson underscore sco.zip, and it tells me where it's located. If I wanted to, I can open that folder and actually look at the lesson. I'll choose to do that. There is my lesson, and I see that it is a zipped package. I'll close that window. We're now going to navigate away from the SoftChalk Create program and open Desire to Learn. I've already logged in as an instructor. I'll then choose the course that I want to place this lesson into. Once I select the course, I'm going to click on Edit the Course. This displays my tools options. What we're going to select is Import, Export, and Copy Components. We're going to import components. We'll then click on the Browse button. We'll then navigate to where we've stored that lesson. I've put it inside of my Package Lesson folder, and then I select the George Washington underscore sco.zip file. I click on Open, and then I click Start. It tells me the progress. Once it finishes downloading and reading, we then continue, and it asks us for a location to store that particular lesson. Now, I always put them inside of a folder, so I will call this my George Washington folder. I'm going to be careful and not put any spaces in between George and Washington. I'm going to select Import Metadata and select all the components, and then I'll click Continue. In a few seconds, it will tell me that it has finished. We click on the Finish button, and then Done. I'm going to go into the Content area, and I see my George Washington lesson. If I wanted to, I can move that lesson from this module into another. I'm not going to do that. I'll just leave it the way it is for right now. We have now placed our lesson into Desire to Learn, and it is connected to the Desire to Learn Gradebook.